this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Twitch. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Twitch account by visiting the official Twitch website. Once you're logged in, now head over to your account profile here and click on it, and then look for settings. As you can see, settings option is here. Now from here, you need to go ahead and click on channel and video. And if this is your first time, you can go ahead and enable these settings for empowering viewers to share your clips, or you can as well decline. So if you want, you can enable this. If you don't want, just go ahead and click on no thanks. So you're told if you enable these settings, you'll be able to be discovered more. So if you have changed your mind, you can go back, or if you're okay, now go ahead and confirm by clicking on yes, disable these settings. Now from here, you should see we have stream on the left hand side bar. Go ahead and click on stream here. By clicking on this, you'll be able to find or see your stream key. Go ahead and copy it and paste this to our streaming software such as OBS. If you want to see your primary stream key, you can click on show here to see it. Now to add this to your OBS or any other streaming software, then select your source and then select Twitch and add your streaming key, and then finally click on start streaming to start your stream. So that's how you can set up a stream on Twitch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.